In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perplexity spaces, specifically a game tracker. This tool is perfect for staying up to date with the latest in the gaming world. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to pull up your favorite web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, go ahead and type Perplexity into the search bar. You should see the Perplexity website pop up in your search results. Click on it to be directed to their homepage. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, look for the Spaces section. It's usually located somewhere on their main menu, so go ahead and click it. This is where the magic begins. Once you've accessed the Spaces section, you'll want to look for the option to create new space. Clicking this will initiate the process for setting up your very own game tracker. When prompted, it's time to give your space a name. I'm going to call mine Next Quest Game Release Tracker. This name fits perfectly as it encapsulates the core functionality of what we're creating. Next up, we need to input a description. A well-crafted description can be incredibly helpful, both for you and any collaborators you might bring on board. So, let's type. Stay ahead of every major and indie game launch with Next Quest, your all-in-one hub for upcoming video game releases, platform updates, and developer announcements. This succinct snippet captures the essence of what Next Quest aims to provide. But don't stop there. Add a little more detail to give users a better idea of what they can expect. For instance, track titles across PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and mobile. Plus, get trailers, reviews, and early access info in one organized feed. After filling out the description, you'll notice an option to add instructions. This is a vital step. Think of it as providing users with a roadmap to effectively utilize your game tracker. You'll want to detail how to best interact with the tool. Ask specific queries like, show me all RPG releases coming next month, or what are the biggest indie titles in 2025? Encourage users to make use of filters, if available, to tailor their search preferences by platform, genre, or release window. Additionally, suggest uploading personal lists or spreadsheets of games they're interested in to track easily. Bookmarking threads for significant titles is another savvy tip for keeping updates managed in one place. And don't forget to promote collaboration, allowing friends to share release info or review summaries. Now that you've crafted a thorough set of instructions, it's time to hit save. But we're not done just yet. To ensure everything works as intended, let's perform a simple test by making a prompt. Type in a query like, list all major video games releasing in December 2025 with their genres and platforms. Look over the results to verify that your tracker is pulling correct and useful data. If everything checks out, hit Submit to finalize your entry. And there you have it. You've just created your very own Perplexity space to track the thrilling world of video game releases. Remember, this tracker is as much a platform for sharing as it is for gaining insights. So happy tracking!